Before you buy anything for your kitchen, you need to see this first. These 35 kitchen inventions are going viral in 2026, and millions of people are already switching to smarter ways of cooking. But wait until you see number 18, because the final invention might completely change how you use your kitchen every single day. Make meal prep fast and easy with the Bare Food Processor. Powered by a 400W motor, it quickly chops meat, vegetables, and baby food with 2 stainless steel blade sets. The 8-cup and 2.5-cup glass bowls and 2-speed control give you perfect results for both small and large batches. Make perfect eggs every time with the Dash Deluxe Egg Cooker. Boil, poach, or steam up to 12 eggs quickly and easily. It comes with a measuring cup and recipe guide for foolproof results. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple and safe. At just $29.99, it's the ultimate easy breakfast solution for any kitchen. Serve perfectly cooked tapioca pearls every time with the Want-Join Boba Maker Machine Commercial Boba Cooker. Designed for milk tea shops, restaurants, dessert stores, and bars, this commercial-grade cooker delivers efficient, consistent boba preparation with easy operation and reliable performance. Built to handle daily business demands, it helps you save time while keeping every drink fresh and delicious. All for just $96. Season your meals with ease using the Sankon 2-in-1 electric salt and pepper grinder. This innovative grinder holds both salt and pepper in one compact design, featuring one-handed automatic operation, an adjustable ceramic mill, and a built-in light for precise seasoning. Refillable, battery-powered, and incredibly convenient. All for just $17. Meet the Our Place Dream Cooker, your all-in-one kitchen essential. This 6-quart ceramic non-stick multi-cooker lets you pressure cook, sauté, slow cook, and keep meals warm with ease. Featuring sleek touchscreen controls and auto steam release, it delivers safe, effortless cooking every time. Stylish, powerful, and perfect for everyday meals. Add a touch of style and precision to your kitchen with the SMEG Contemporary Digital Kitchen Scale with removable bowl, Jade. Featuring a sleek retro-inspired design, an easy-to-read digital display, and a removable stainless steel bowl for effortless mixing and cleaning, it delivers accurate measurements for baking, cooking, and meal prep. Beautiful, functional, and built to elevate your countertop. All for just $160. Slice, chop, and prep like a pro with the Supmakin Safe Mandolin Slicer. Designed for safety and convenience, this versatile kitchen tool features adjustable thickness settings for perfectly sliced potatoes, vegetables, and more. Fast, efficient, and easy to use, it makes meal prep a breeze. All for just $40. Upgrade your kitchen with the Empava Electric Stove Induction Cooktop Vertical 2 Burners. Featuring 2 powerful burners, a sleek black vitro ceramic glass surface, and energy-efficient induction technology. This compact 12-inch cooktop delivers fast, precise heating while saving valuable counter space. Easy to clean and designed for modern kitchens, apartments, and RVs, it combines style, performance, and convenience. All for just $200. Upgrade your kitchen with the premium Ravati RVH 82-22-33-inch undermount workstation kitchen sink. Crafted from durable 16-gauge stainless steel, this spacious single-bowl sink features a built-in workstation design with a cutting board and handy accessories for efficient meal prep and cleanup. The brushed finish helps hide scratches while adding a sleek modern look, combining style, durability, and functionality for just $649. Brew cafe-quality coffee with vintage charm using the Amaze Drip Coffee Maker. Featuring a stylish retro design, a 25-ounce glass coffee pot, 3 brewing modes, and a reusable filter, it delivers rich, customizable flavor with every cup. The built-in warming plate keeps coffee hot and ready to enjoy, making it perfect for mornings, workdays, and relaxing coffee breaks. All for just $70. Enjoy pizzeria-quality pizza right at home with the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven. Heating up to a blazing 800 degrees Fahrenheit, this countertop oven cooks delicious 12-inch pizzas in minutes and features 5 touchscreen presets for effortless results. Complete with a pizza stone and peel, it delivers crispy crusts and authentic flavor every time. All for just $200. Meet the Sturmax Midnight Blue 7.5-quart digital multi-cooker, your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. With an automatic stirring paddle and 9 smart presets, it sautés, sears, and simmers perfectly without constant attention. Effortless cooking, delicious results every time. Upgrade your kitchen with the 33 by 22-inch smart waterfall kitchen sink workstation. Handmade from 16-gauge stainless steel in sleek gunmetal black, this drop-in single-bowl sink combines style and durability. Perfect for efficient prep, cleanup, and modern kitchen functionality. Control your cooking with precision using the Yaramate 2-in-1 oil sprayer, just $9. This 16-ounce dark amber glass bottle blocks light to keep oil fresh while offering both spray and pour functions. Perfect for air frying, barbecue, and everyday cooking, it's a simple, mess-free way to use just the right amount every time. Cook more in less time with the Crock-Pot Multi-Meal Multi-Cooker and Programmable Slow Cooker. Featuring 2 3.7-quart nonstick pots, this versatile multi-cooker lets you prepare 2 different dishes simultaneously while also offering a convenient bake function. Perfect for feeding 8 or more people, it simplifies meal prep, family dinners, and entertaining. Plus, the dishwasher-safe pots make cleanup quick and effortless. All for just $179. Make dishwashing effortless with the Yuhami Countertop Dishwasher. Featuring 8 cleaning programs, a 5-liter built-in water tank, and no plumbing hookup required, this compact dishwasher is perfect for apartments, RVs, dorms, and small kitchens. With self-clean, baby care, and air-dry functions, it delivers powerful cleaning while saving time, space, and water. All for just $252. Make healthy snacks fast with the Dash Deluxe Egg Bite Maker. Cook up to 4 delicious egg bites at once, perfect for protein-packed breakfasts or quick bites. Its non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup, while the compact, non-slip design fits any kitchen. Quick, simple, and tasty every time. Turn your kitchen into a full indoor barbecue station with the XHJ4-in-1 electric indoor grill smokeless. Featuring a smokeless grill, sizzling grill pan, auto-rotating kebab skewers, and a hot dog roller, this all-in-one cooker lets you prepare multiple favorites at the same time. With dual-zone cooking, a convenient lid, and removable cooking surfaces for easy cleanup, it's perfect for family meals and entertaining guests. All for just $100. Clean your whisk in seconds with the Whisk Wiper, just $20. This clever multipurpose tool wipes away batter and sauces effortlessly, reducing waste and mess. Includes an 11 stainless steel whisk, making it perfect for baking and cooking. A simple, smart gadget and a great gift for any kitchen enthusiast. Cook, grill, and serve all with one appliance using the Aroma Housewares ASP 137B3-in-1 Super Pot. Featuring a versatile 3-in-1 design, a spacious 3-quart capacity, and a removable grill plate, it's perfect for soups, noodles, hot pots, stir-fries, and grilling your favorite foods. Compact, convenient, and easy to use, all for just $40. Cook healthy, flavorful meals with the Cuisinart Cook Fresh Digital Glass Food Steamer. This 5-liter steamer features 5 pre-programmed settings for vegetables, seafood, and more, plus a convenient keep warm function and audible alerts. The dishwasher-safe glass pot makes cleanup easy, making it a smart, modern addition to any kitchen. Keep your toppings, fruits, and garnishes fresh and perfectly organized with the 5-compartment stainless steel chilled condiment tray. Featuring 5 removable compartments, a durable stainless steel design, and a protective lid, this chilled serving tray is perfect for parties, taco bars, cocktail stations, and meal prep. Convenient, stylish, and easy to clean, it keeps everything within reach and ready to serve. All for just $43. Slice like a pro with the Gramercy Adjustable Mandolin Food Slicer. Perfect for potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, onions, fruits, and more, it delivers fast, even cuts every time. Built with durable stainless steel and adjustable settings for precision slicing, It also includes cut-resistant gloves for added safety. At just $39.95, it's the ultimate kitchen tool for quick, effortless meal prep. Open wine effortlessly with the Muku electric wine opener, just $27. This cordless set includes a charging base, foil cutter, and 2-in-1 aerator pourer for smooth, perfect servings. With vacuum stoppers to keep wine fresh and a sleek display station, it's the ultimate all-in-one solution for wine lovers. Cook smarter with this 12-cutie large dual air fryer. Featuring 2 6-cutie baskets, sync cook function, and a full touchscreen panel, it lets you prepare 2 dishes at once with perfect timing. Non-stick, dishwasher safe, and with a viewing window. Easy, fast, and healthier cooking made simple. Keep every dish warm and ready with the Lalashi electric food warming mat, just $67. This XXL36 by 15 foldable mat uses advanced graphene heating with 7 temperature settings for perfect serving control. Ideal for parties and buffets, it's portable, easy to store, and comes with a spoon rest and travel pad for added convenience. Open cans effortlessly with the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Just press a button for smooth, hands-free operation that leaves safe, clean edges. Battery-operated and easy to use, it's the perfect kitchen tool for quick, hassle-free cooking. Crush garlic effortlessly with the Zuli Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set, just $14. Made from rust-proof stainless steel, it features an ergonomic soft grip handle for easy squeezing. Complete with a silicone peeler and cleaning brush, it delivers quick, mess-free prep for flavorful cooking every time. Start your day effortlessly with the Green Life 3-in-1 breakfast maker station. Featuring healthy ceramic non-stick dual griddles, it cooks eggs, meat, sausage, bacon, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches all at once. The 2-slice toast drawer and easy-to-use timer make breakfast prep simple and fast, helping you enjoy a delicious, complete meal in one convenient station. Keep your kitchen organized with the XIYO 20 pounds grain dispenser. Featuring a 360 degrees rotating design and 6 separate grids, it lets you store and access rice, beans, cereal, and more with ease. The sealed lid keeps food fresh, while the large capacity is perfect for busy homes. Clean, convenient, and space-saving storage made simple. Prep food faster and easier with the Kobach electric food processor meat grinder, just $40. Powered by a pure copper motor and dual-layer blades, it delivers efficient chopping, grinding, and blending. With a 1.9 QT capacity, it's perfect for meat, vegetables, and more, making everyday cooking quick and effortless. Upgrade your kitchen with the Kraus Core 32-inch workstation sink, just $450. Crafted from heavy-duty 16-gauge stainless steel, it offers a spacious single bowl and built-in accessories for seamless prep and cleanup. Durable, modern, and highly functional, it transforms your sink into a complete kitchen workstation. Easily slice and core fruits with the apple slicer. This heavy-duty cutter handles apples up to 3.8 inches, features 8 slices, a comfort handle, and a stable stand. Plus, it comes with tomato cutting blades for versatile, quick, and safe kitchen prep. Simplify kitchen cleanup with the Magnetic Drainage Filter Basket 2.0 design. This magnetic corner basket catches food scraps, rinses produce with ease, and features a twist-open bottom for quick disposal, keeping your sink cleaner and more organized. All for just $22. Keep your spices neat and accessible with this multifunctional kitchen spice rack. Featuring a double-layer, 4-grid design with included spoons, it organizes your condiments perfectly on cabinets, walls, or countertops. Punch-free installation and sleek gray finish make it a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Keep your sink spotless with the sponge holder with handle 2-in-1 magnetic sponge caddy. Featuring a strong magnetic design, self-draining base, hanging loop, and flexible wall mount or countertop installation, it keeps sponges dry, organized, and within reach. All for just $10. Save space and stay organized on the go with the Sooklane 4 PCS collapsible bowls with lids. Made from durable silicone, These expandable food containers fold flat for easy storage and travel. Perfect for salads, snacks, lunches, and camping meals, they come with secure lids to keep food fresh. Lightweight, reusable, and adventure-ready. All for just $19. Take control of your nutrition with the Smart Food Kitchen Scale with Nutritional Calculator. Featuring ultra-precise 0.1 g measurements, a built-in timer, and a free app that tracks 27 nutrients, this smart scale helps you monitor portions, calories, and macros with ease. Perfect for weight loss, meal prep, and healthy living, it measures up to 11 pounds per 5 kilograms in grams or ounces, all for just $35. Keep food fresh longer with the Vacuumer vacuum sealer machine. Featuring a powerful 80 kilopascals double pump system, dry and moist sealing modes, pulse control, and a built-in cutter, it delivers reliable food preservation with ease. The handle-lock design and widened 12 mm heating strip ensure strong, secure seals every time, all for just $64. Organize your kitchen in style with the 5-tier kitchen fruit vegetable storage cart. Featuring 5 spacious rotating baskets, this versatile storage rack keeps fruits, vegetables, snacks, spices, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to access. The sturdy floor-standing design and smooth rolling wheels make it simple to move wherever you need extra storage. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, and dining areas, all for just $66. Slice and serve watermelon effortlessly with this 2-in-1 watermelon cutter. Made from durable stainless steel, it features a dual-head design to cut perfect cubes and pick them up with ease. Mess-free, quick, and fun to use. Perfect for summer snacks at home. Quickly wash and dry your greens with the Desire Path Salad Spinner. Its large, BPA-free design easily handles lettuce, fruits, and vegetables, while the efficient squeezer and quick-dry system removes water fast. Perfect for salads, dumpling fillings, or any fresh produce, it's a must-have kitchen strainer for effortless prep. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the all-inside 3-in-1 magnetic wrap dispenser. Made from bamboo wood, it neatly stores plastic wrap, foil, and wax paper with built-in cutters for easy use. Magnetic design and 3-layer storage. Perfect for a clean, clutter-free kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with the Nanfang Brothers 7-piece Damascus knife set. Featuring ultra-sharp blades and ergonomic ABS handles, it delivers precision, comfort, and durability for every cut. This complete set includes essential knives, kitchen shears, and a stylish block for organized storage. Perfect for both home cooks and pros, it makes food prep faster and easier. All this premium quality for just $85. Cook with confidence using the Thermomaven 3000-foot smart wireless meat thermometer. Featuring ultra-long range, 6 precision sensors, and NIST-certified accuracy for perfect results every time. With dual thin probes and a large LCD base, it's ideal for grilling, smoking, and barbecue. Open any jar with ease using this mount-on-cabinet jar opener. Designed for weak hands and arthritis, its double U-shaped grooves grip all lid sizes securely. Durable 304 stainless steel and one-handed use make it a must-have kitchen helper. Quickly slice fruits with the Fire Kylan banana slicer. Made with durable ABS and stainless steel, it easily cuts bananas, strawberries, grapes, and more. Comes in a 2-piece set, perfect for salads, snacks, and effortless kitchen prep.